Good morning everybody! Nag-i-snow na naman ang Edmonton. This is called a wet snow. Wow! Today is April 30. Good thing I did not change my wheels to summer tires. You know, wet snow. Ang lakas ng hangin pala kahapon. Akala ko kahapon uulan. As in uulan, pero no. It's a wet snow. Ayay. Sobrang lamig. Grabe. Mahangin. Yan ang mahirap yung wet snow. Kasi, pagbaba sa lupa, tubig na. Hanggang kailan ka ito matatapos ang lamig na ito? Ay, yayay. Make a love shout out to everybody. Hello to all my members out there. Ahan, Tel Teacher, Blessed Girl, Nets, A Slice of Farming, Kati Sherney, Dance Max, Drivers Gala, Zoe Dewey, All in One, Faith, Limwell, Ray. Oh my God. Nabubulol ako. Anyway, thank you so much for all the 14 members in there. Thank you so much for all your love, and thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Today I am refreshed. Diba? Na-refresh ako ngayon, kaya I'm so good. I feel that today will be a good day, even though it's cold and it's snowy. Yay! Thank you, Jesus, for restoring my soul, for restoring my life, for restoring my heart. O, diba? Move on. Mag-move on tayo. Move on. Wag mag-move back. Move on. Kasi matraffic na. Kaya, matraffic na si Cupido. Anyway, guys, update ko mamaya sa inyo kung mag-i-snow ba ng matagal o hanggang dito na lamang. God bless everybody, to all my friends, Kelly PB, Jabilino, Machete Vlogs, MBTV. I know na nagbago ka ng pangalan, but I'm still saying MBTV. Marcelita Wano, Leticia, Sis Alicia, Kaislaw, Ate Roxy, Rose Dolonga. Sa mga nag-join ng aking LS, maraming salamat. Gladys, Patty, salamat sa pagbaba ng aking video. Thank you so much all. Hindi ko man mabanggit ang lahat, but I'm always remembering you guys. Bye!